us.
Hi and welcome to Microsoft tutorial. My name is Glyza and I'm going to show you in how to navigate an email interface, attaching files and sending emails. So let's get started. First, we need to know what is email. So email is a digital communication system that allows users to send and receive. First, let's take a look at the email interface. When you open your email application, you will see the several case sections. So, mauni ang manggawas. So, here we have the inbox, send folder, and the draft, and trash or deleted. So, mauna na siya mga case section. So, sa inbox, dinhi makita kung diin nimo madawat ang bag-ong message. While ang send folder, nag-imbak sa mga kopya sa mga email na imong gipadala. While ang draft folder, nag-imbak sa mga email na imong gi-edit apan wala nimong gipadala. Again, ang send folder, nag-imbak sa mga kopya sa mga email na imong gipadala. While ang draft folder, nag-imbak sa mga email na imong gi-edit apan wala nimong gipadala. And the last, which is the trash or deleted. Nag-imbak sa mga email na imong gipang delete. So, dinhi makita nimo nga imong gipang delete. Let's proceed to composing a new email. So, to compose a new email, first, click the compose. So, kini located at the left of your email screen. Imo na siya pisliton. In the new email window, you will see the field for the recipient's email address and the subject and the body of the email. So, kaning recipient or to, mao niya ang kaning to para sa email address sa imong padalhan, which is kini ang field diin nimo isulat ang email address sa tawo nga imong gustong padalhan sa imuhang mensahe. While ang subject, ibutang ang mubo nga paghulagway sa email. So, kini mao ang field diin nimo isulat ang hilisgutan o mubo nga paghulagway sa unsay mahisgutan. While ang body para sa sulod o mensahe sa imuhang email. So kini mao ang kinatibuk ang bahin diin nimo isulat ang tibuok sulod o mensahe sa gusto nimo ipadala sa imuhang gipadalhan. So, let's have an example. Now, let's proceed on how to attach files in the email. So, to attach files, look at for the attach button. So, or paperclip icon. So, it's often located near at the bottom of your email window. So, imo na siyang pislitan which is kani. Mora siyang paperclip. After that, File Explorer window will open. So, navigate to the file you want to attach. Mao ni ang manggawas once imo ning i-click ang paperclip. And then, pagpili nga files nga imong isend sa imong sendan. So, let's have an example. This one. And then, click the open. And, once nga imo itong i-click, ma-attach na ni dinhi. Oh, kani. After that, once you've composed your message and attached any files you have ready to send your email. So, click this, usually located at the bottom of your email window. So, imo nang pisliton once nga okay na. Then after nimo bislit sa katuang send, i-review nimo kung na-send ba. So adto nimo makita sa send folder. So mauna ni siya ang magawas. Then na-send na nimo. And that's it. You've learned how to navigate the email interface, attach files, and send emails. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.